You are all wet, baby.
Hey, get over here.
Come this way, Bear. It's raining too hard over by Mommy's car.
You stop! I'll get you! Hey, look at this! Stop!
Are you wet?
Yeah.
Why do you think that might be?
Come on.
What are you doing?
So we're playing in the rain.
I'm playing in the rain, Mom.
Tell her to. Playing in the rain.
Ow.
Okay.
Ow.
Okay, that's enough.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
I know, Bear. Do it again.
Okay.
Go sit in it. Go splash real fast and sit in it.
I did that.
Do it again.
Right there. Gosh. Oh, nice.
Sit down and splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Do it with your hands. Sit down and splash. There you go.
I did it again, Mom.
You do it again, baby. There you go.
You're making a mud hole in my yard.
Heck yeah. Woo!
That's right, Daddy.
Aidan, what are you doing?
I'm puddle.
Puddle hopping?
Papa.
What, baby?
This, Mom.
You want my umbrella?
Yeah.
No way, Jose.
Oh,
Go splash.
oh,
You want the purple towel? My purple umbrella?
yeah.
No. Go on, splash.
No.
There. Whoa, pick it up. You gotta pick it up. It's too big. You don't want to have it?
Yes.
Oh, you want to have it? Okay. I know, you're so big. That umbrella is as big as you.
Yeah. It's big, Daddy.
It is.
It's Mommy's, Daddy.
I know.
And be careful. It's blue, Daddy.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it hard to hold on to? The wind blowing it?
The rain is blowing.
You gotta be strong, don't you?